Hey guys, this is me Priya. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make thumbnails for YouTube videos. If you want to create attractive and good thumbnails for your YouTube videos, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store. Then you have to search for the application with the name of Pixel Lab. So when you will search for it, you have to download and install this application in your phone. So I have already installed it on my phone and all my thumbnails are designed on it. So once you will download it, now go back and open Pixel Lab application. And by default you will get different templates right here. You can create your thumbnails on it. Moreover, if you click on this button here, from here you can adjust the image size. Click on custom and here you have to search for the YouTube thumbnail. Click on here. As you can see, size of the image is changed. Now also you will see a simple theme on which you can design your own thumbnail. And from here, from this section, and here you will see a color. You can choose a color from here. After that you can edit your text. How to create thumbnails. After that tap on OK. As you can see here, you will see a button in the main menu right here. So you have to click on it to design that. Next, now swipe up to the left and here you see the option of font. Click on it and from here you have changed to your font. Then tap on OK. If you want to upload image on this banner, just click on the gallery. It will redirect you to your gallery and you can upload any image here. Moreover, if you want a complete guide on the Pixel app, just let me know in the comment and I will create a complete guide.